Good morning, Richard Ellaby here. We're along Union Pacific CSX's Villa Grove sub at milepost 10, Oakdale Interlocking. As Northbound Amtrak Train 51 to Cardinal approaches the diamond with the Charger Crossing. AMTK ALC 42 Charger 301 leads the day one Charger on Amtrak's Cardinal from New York City and Washington, D.C. headed to Chicago. One of my favorites. Amtrak 51 is running UP Main number 1. ALC 42 day 1 Charger 301 looks great. He just banged across the former Rock Island and Baltimore, Ohio Mainline, which is now owned by Chicago Rail Link here at Oakdale Interlocking. The tracks the Amtrak 51 is running on used to belong to the Chicago and Western Indiana and Chicago Eastern Illinois Railroad. It is now owned by Union Pacific. It is now Union Pacific's Villa Grove sub here on the south side of Chicago. It is Thursday, December 14th, 2023. And I'm Richard Ellaby, and we're signing off.